In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix problem occurred error on Prime Video. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are receiving this message, we are unable to process your request, please try again later or contact Amazon customer service. And this is mostly associated with error code 5004. Then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix any issue on your account. In the first method, you want to ensure that you have an active account and that your subscription has not entered. From here, you want to troubleshoot by clearing your browser history. That is, if this problem was caused by a glitch. So for that, just go to your app or to your browser that you are watching and click on these three lines and head to delete browser data. So for this, I'm on Google Chrome. Go to delete browsing data and choose the length or the period you want to delete the data. You can choose the last 24 hours or even the last 7 days or last hour or even last 15 minutes, and then confirm by clicking on delete data. Once you are done, try log into your account and see if the problem has been fixed. But should this not work, then you might want to check if you are using any VPN. If you have any VPN turned on, it might be the reason for your issue. Turn it off. But should the VPN not be the issue, then the problem might be with Prime Video server. For that, you need to check back after some times and log into your account, and now everything should be okay. So by using any of these methods, now you should have your account running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.